Hello, Francis John here. Welcome back to JKF Tech. Uh, I have some question coming up all the time about some switches. Um, just know that anytime your switch of this same model is having problem, having system problem, some will have amber issue. There's something we call amber issue. When your switch, your machine, your Cisco machine is having amber issue, maybe different model, it doesn't mean that it's the same problem, because sometimes it can differ. It might be different IC from different machine, because that's one of my friend that said the switch has say some problem. Because the switch has some problem, this my friend did was he has to uh, check my one of my videos. He saw how I solved it, but they are not the same model. Sometimes it's not the same IC, so it's different IC. So you have to, you know, check the model as well, because sometimes the same problem, different models, different IC that can cause it. So that is it. Just want to clarify as well. I have been getting a lot of questions people have not replied to. I will reply you because I'm kind of busy. I also want to thank these guys for that supports the channel. Thank you for the guys. I have two of my friends that I've started chatting with from this page. One in Italy, one from India. I have friends all over the place, all over the world as well. But these guys we have chatted a long time, you know. So I decided to, you know, accept them. I have a lot of friends that I will still try to know how to be accepting you guys gradually. A lot of people have been sending support to the channel. A lot of people that have been sending some crypto to the Bybit account, Bybit accounts, a Bitget account. I prefer to, for those I want to support the channel, I want to just clarify it. Anybody that want to support the channel, if you want to send anything, just I prefer crypto. Let it be there. Don't need to send it to the bank. Let it just be there. It's easier as well. Sending crypto is much easier. To help you to, you know, do it easier, because sending to bank, a lot of things involved in it. So I prefer sending to crypto exchange. That's by the way. A lot of people have been supporting the channel financially through sending cryptos. I have a lot of my friends. With time, I'll start calling names, but for now, uh, some friends say it's not necessary to start to do that. Uh, it's not necessary. So people that like what I'm doing as well. And there's those that are supporting the channel through their comments and like, you also appreciate it as well. I've been away for a while. I have some offers as well to travel or for travels for this particular purpose. I have my friend uh, from India that want me to come for a seminar. I have my friends as brother as well, because everybody in the channel is a brother to me. So I have this friend as well from Angola that want me to come and help some boys, teach them, have seminars or teach them how to fix the machine, how to work on those machines, because he has over 2,000 plus machines that has that problem. So I've agreed, I've sent him my details, my passport as well. So he's processing my coming. He's going to do it as well. But the the papers and the what's it called, the flight ticket as well. So he was the first person to tell me something like that. So when I finished from that, then my friend from India as well. The seminar for note that any seminar you want me to conduct in any country of your choice concerning these machines, you should be the one in charge of the accommodation, the visa, and the flight ticket. So that is it. That's by the way. So thank you all that have been on the channel for a very long time. Those that have been sending me messages, those that I've been chatting with, I've been friends with a lot of people as well, you know. And some many questions I've not answered, some comments concerning some machines I've not answered. I'll say attend to that. I still have a channel at heart. I have a place I'm saving some cash for to advance the channel in this crypto. People that are supporting the channel as well. That's the place. Very soon I will improve the channel. So thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.